This is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. So I'm going to make potatoes with the same marinade which I made in the last video, but I'm going to warn you, it's very spicy but it tastes best that way, and if you can take the heat, this is a good dish for you. For this dish, I'm using 500 grams of baby potatoes, but you can use regular potatoes as well. I'm going to transfer these potatoes into a pressure cooker, add about 750 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to pressure cook until 3 whistles. In the meantime, I'm going to make the red chili paste. I'm going to take about 15 grams of dry red chili or about 25 medium length ones and soak it in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes till it becomes soft. I'm also going to use about 15 grams or 7 large sized garlic cloves. I'm going to strain out the chilies and put them in a blender pot. Add the garlic, half a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of vinegar and blend it to a rough paste. So this is the texture we are looking for. So the potatoes are done. I'm going to keep them aside to cool for a bit. In the meantime, I'm going to chop a bunch of coriander leaves, say about a cup. Now I'm going to peel the potatoes. I'm going to cut the big ones in half, but if you are using regular potatoes, you can dice them into 1-inch cubes. In a skillet, I'm going to heat about half a cup of oil. The oil needs to be quite hot, say about 170 degrees. Now I'm going to add the potatoes and fry till the potatoes become just a little bit crispy on the outside. You can see the potatoes have become lightly brown and crispy outside, so I'm going to take them out now. I'm going to switch off the heat, remove 4 tablespoons of oil from the skillet and put the potatoes back in along with 3 tablespoons of chili garlic paste. Switch on the heat and fry some more. I'm going to add another half a teaspoon of salt here and fry for another 2 minutes more. This is done, so I'm going to add the chopped coriander leaves now and mix it in. And our chili garlic potatoes are ready. This dish needs to be kept aside at least for an hour so that the spices seep into the potatoes. If you can resist the temptation, then it tastes best the next day. I'm really interested to know how you find this dish, so please comment below. And I really look forward to your likes and subscriptions, so please do so, it's free. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.